Last night I had the most amazing dream. The Lord and I were walking at the beach. You see, two sets of footprints were in the sand. One for me and one for the Son of Man. But one thing I noticed very clear: when I struggled the most, his footprints disappeared. And he said, when you want to see one set of footprints, and you think I've left you on your own, my dear child, I love you. So when you only saw one set of footprints, that's when I carry you. And that's when I carry you. Lord, will you please help my mama too? 'Cause her heart is broken and she needs you. 2 years ago, my sister passed away, and mama hasn't been the same since that day. And right now, mama's all alone, and the only footsteps she sees are her own. So please tell her, when you only see one set of footprints, and you think I've left you on your own, my dear child, I love you. So if you only see one set of footprints, I'm carrying you. And that's when I carry you. If you're sitting here today and you're thinking there's no way out of what you're going through, Jesus can make a way. That's what he does every day for me and also for you. Yes, for you. And my prayer for you is that Jesus will whisper life and love back into your heart. Yeah, Jesus loves to make a way when there ain't no way, and he'll make that way for you too. When you only see one set of footprints, and you think that you are all alone, my dear child, I love you. So when you only see one set of footprints, that's when I carry you. That's when I carried you. Because he loves you. Yes, Jesus loves you too. Jesus, please carry me too. Jesus, please carry me too. If you're struggling with depression, Jesus, please carry me too. If you're struggling with anxiety, Jesus, please carry me too. If you're struggling with stress and overwhelm, Jesus, please carry me too. If you're struggling with your marriage, Jesus, please carry me too. If you're struggling at school, Jesus, please carry me too. If you're struggling with your finances, Jesus, please carry me too. If you're struggling with addiction, Jesus, please carry me too. If you're struggling with something I didn't say, Jesus, please carry me